Hi everyone, I'm Diadenem Kunzi and I'm going to show you how you can record the screen on Camtasia. Here I'm going to do the tech skills assignment and I'll be showing you everything by using Camtasia. Camtasia is this software here on the screen. Then you can press on record screen and record screen, then the screen will start recording, and you can even enable the web camera as you are seeing me, and the video will be having the video screen. And let me get started to the assignment. This is the assignment I'm supposed to do, and for example I'll be doing everything here according to the instructions. The first question is to use this data you are seeing here and create a pivot chart that shows the total monthly sales of coffee and tea combo, and the tea only. And next I'll be telling you the category of products that had the greatest sales in 3 months. Let me get started with the first one. Here is what I have done while trying to understand the assignment, but let me get started. You don't even have to select all the data, but you just put the cursor where you want to, where the data you want to, with which you want to create your pivot chart, and then you go on insert, and then to do this I have to create a pivot chart that shows the monthly sales of coffee. Then I go to pivot chart, then create a pivot chart on a new worksheet. Alright, this is my pivot here. This is the pivot chart field, and then here will be my this will be my pivot table, and here will be this will be my chart, the pivot chart. Then according to the instructions I have to create a pivot chart that shows the total monthly sales of coffee. Then in this field, pivot chart field, then have to check the monthly sales amount, and next it will be the product name as it's in here in the sales of coffee and tea. This is what I have to do to find in the on the pivot chart. Then this will be the product, and here be having the what else I can include here. Let me see. This will be the this is it, the month. The month of sales. If I do this, then I'll be able to answer the question. The question that follows says, which category of products that had the greatest sales in the 3 months? This is shown here. On this chart, it's obvious that the product combination that had the greatest sales over the 3 months, January, February and March, is coffee. Here you see there is no chart above this. This means that in January they sold in January, coffee was sold much more than any other combination, any product in 3 months. This is shown in January. Coffee was sold at over 2,000, around 2,500, but coffee and tea was sold between 1,500 and 2,000. This is the first question, and this is how I can even change the names here. Then this will be, for example, pivot chart one. Yeah, I can name pivot chart one. Yeah, this is it. Then I have my pivot chart one here that shows the different categories, and then this was the first question, of course, and it's done. There's according to the instructions, I'm done with the first question. Excuse me. The second question will be to filter my pivot chart by using the product category and create a chart to reflect the monthly sales totals for coffee and tea combo shipments. Format the chart with the title: in what month was the total monthly sales of coffee and tea combination shipment the highest? Okay. Here I have to create a new to insert a new pivot chart. This new pivot chart, let me make it okay, a bar chart. Yeah, bar chart is good. No, this one. Yeah, this one looks good. Yeah, it looks good. And I have to move my pivot chart. Actually, I did some of the things in the first pivot chart. Then in this pivot chart, I was supposed to filter the products. Yeah. Okay. Created a chart, and then oh no, I have to filter the pivot chart by using product category. Okay, in the first chart, this means in the first chart I have to filter the table by using product category. This will come here. This will be all the products. Then in this pivot chart here, it looks the same as the other one, the above chart, and I have to filter. Let me see what I'm going to filter here. Sorry. According to the product, create a chart to reflect monthly sales totals for coffee and tea combo shipments. Then I have to filter coffee in product. It's coffee and tea combo, only coffee and tea combo. Then I'll be showing, yeah, this is the total monthly sales in 3 months, January, February, and March, for only coffee and tea combo, as I have filtered here. You can see. Yeah, this let me check the other instruction. The following instruction says format the chart with the title. That is easy. We have done it in the previous chart. I call it coffee and tea combo. Combo, it means combination. In other words, it's kind of tricky, but yeah, it's combination. Oh no. Okay, this is it. Okay, the following instruction says, in what month was the total monthly sales of coffee and tea combination shipment the highest? That is easy. It's in January. January coffee and tea combination was very, very high, as we've seen when they are not filtered. The information was not filtered. No. Okay. Yeah. Okay, it's gone. When they were not filtered, and the coffee and tea combination was sold more in January. Their sales was over 4,800, was between 4,800 and 5,000. This was the biggest sales we have ever made in 3 months. Then this is the bonus question. It says, the third question, it says create one additional pivot chart and explore ways of sorting data that are different from the two previous pivot charts. Then create my pivot chart using the other method, and then include the cells, and it says pivot chart and explore the ways of sorting data that are different. Oh yeah, sorting data. Yeah, sorting data. Okay, here we have let's say we have sorted according to the product name, but now let's sort it according to where they were shipped. Then here we have the country. Then we are sorting according to the country. Looking at this, we have, for example, we want to look. Yeah, this is filtering. I move this to another field, and then when I want to see the sales in, for example, in France, I'll see that in France there's no coffee and tea combination that was sold, but the only coffee and tea coffee was sold in February, and tea was sold only in February. And then in January and March there was nothing sold of sort in either in France. Yeah, this is France. And I can even sort in Kenya and see what happened in Kenya. Oh wow, in Kenya they are really buying more. They're really buying more here, and I can even sort according to the farm. In Kenya, okay, in farms I can say ABC farms in Kenya. No, okay, in Kenya they only sold the coffee from ABC farms in Kenya. Then let's see, ABC farms sold in all the regions. Okay, ABC farms sold in all the regions in January, February, and March. They only sold coffee. Yeah, this is how we can use Camtasia to show an assignment as I did. This is today's technology assignment, and Camtasia is really good, and it's really good. You can see, you can manage the way you do your video, and the way you do your assignment. You can show the video here. This is the video I'm recording right now, in the real time, and you can see the duration. You can pause, you can stop, you can delete even the video if you want to, if you see you messed up in the video. Okay, this is the end of my assignment today, and I really recommend you to use this Camtasia video studio, I can say, and it's really helpful, and I think you can enjoy in exploring more about Camtasia. It has many things like callouts, zooming in, audio, transitions, many things. You can go and explore or watch YouTube tutorials to tell you about this. Okay, you can even use Camtasia to share your video directly to YouTube by passing through here on this tab, produce and share, and then share to YouTube. It's easy. This is how I'm going to submit my assignment through YouTube, and this is all I think for today. We'll see each other in other sessions. Thank you.